Now we're going to show you how to use the Animas Chess webboard software. Visit address chess.nome.fi and start by signing in using your account credentials. The sensors with the correct measuring point name can be found on the left part of the screen. Let's start by choosing one of the measuring points. The top part of the screen shows the most recent values measured by the sensor. If any alarms have triggered, they are shown in the top right corner of the screen. Signal trends can be seen in this window. You can zoom in and out by using the buttons on the top right corner of the window. You can also use the selection zoom to select a specific time span on the timeline and zoom in. Use the panning tool to scroll through timeline and reset the zoom by pressing the home button. You can also download all the data in the desired format using the three lines on the top right corner. You can update the devices using these arrow buttons down below. Use the drag button to expand the view throughout the screen. If you want to have a more thorough look on each value, you can click the desired value using these buttons. You can also zoom in on a particular time span using the left button of your mouse. Set the warning limits and alarm limits using the button on the bottom right corner of the screen. To get a more thorough look on each trend, you can press the desired value button on the bottom part of the window. You can use the same zoom tools to get a better view on a desired specific time span. From the trends window, you can select a specific measuring point. This updates the time signal down here on the bottom part of the screen. You can also zoom in on the time signal and look for the values most interesting to you. This also updates the FFT spectrum on the bottom right corner of the screen. This is used for basic vibration analyzing. Other trending values can be seen on the indicator's trending window. These values include gravity peak, battery life, and temperature. These are the basic functions of the software. Further analyzing with a high-end software can be done by our certified experts. Contact us at nome.fi.